Today I'll be showing you guys how to get your custom cursor, so let's hop into it. Go to customcursor.com and click on it. Once you are in customcursors.com, install the app and search for your favorite cursor. Once you have done that, click Add All and favorite your favorite cursors. Once you have done everything, exit the app and click on this puzzle icon. Then click on Custom Cursors to get your favorite cursor. If you want to add trails to your cursor, you can do the by click on Custom Trails.